everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I have packed in my carry-on for my upcoming Florida trip, or when you see this I'll probably already be on the trip. But I had put out a poll to see if you wanted to watch a video about what I pack in my suitcase, what I pack for travel toiletries, or what I pack for carry-on. And carry-on was the winner. I have done carry-on purse and backpack or bag separately before in separate videos over different years, but I've never done both together. And since that was the winner, I thought I'd do both of them. But if you are still interested in seeing what I take for toiletries and makeup, or what goes in my suitcase, then let me know, and I could do those for future trips. But let's just jump right in, starting with the backpack, which probably has more stuff. This is a backpack that my brother got me a number of years ago. It's great for travel because it has lots of pockets and is meant for carrying a laptop, so it has a laptop pouch. And so in this front part here, I have vitamins that I'm taking. I find it easier to separate them out rather than have the entire jar. Chewy sprees to help me get through the flight. And that is all that I have in that pocket. And then in this square zipper pocket, I have my hairbrush, my jewelry, because I don't like to pack that in my checked bag, even though there's nothing super valuable. I just don't like having it in my checked bag. I like having it on me. I'm not going to go through everything as far as what I'm taking for jewelry, but I will show you how this works. So it's got separate little pockets inside that all open up here in order to keep my jewelry separated and organized. And it's the same thing on the other side there. So I find it great for travel because it can be folded down to be compact, but also keeps things neat and organized. And then I also have my external hard drive. And then on an inner pocket here, I have my mouse and camera battery charger. Obviously, I'm taking my camera and tripod as well, but those are what I'm currently recording on, so they're not in the bag at this moment. Alright, so next up is this small pocket here, and the only thing I think I've put in here, oh, I didn't really use this pocket, I just have a cleaning cloth in here. And then we get to the large one here. This is a hefty one because I have our Nintendo Switch in here because it must be carried on, and my brothers asked if I could bring it this time. However, it is quite heavy and adds a lot of weight to my bag. My backpack does get quite heavy with that in there, so that aspect is not fun, but it's worth it for the fun games that we get to play. Magazine, Women's Health, something else to pass the time. The book I'm currently reading, which is Shades of Sunshine by Gina Lamanna, third in the installment of the Lola Pink mysteries, which I enjoy very much. My power cord, which I'm not going to dig out, for my laptop. And then this little pouch here. And this pouch is holding feminine products because I need them on my trip. But I did want to say I started recently using Lola just within the past couple days. It's the first time I've ordered it. And this was suggested by Jessica Braun. And also I heard about it on a podcast, but it is a subscription-based site for feminine products, and it's no more expensive than buying them at the store. And they're supposed to be much better for you, made of organic cotton, no chemicals or anything like that. So as I use that more, I will let you know how I like it. I will also try to link the site below so that you can check it out for yourself and get more information. And apparently Duncan wants to join me on the trip because he's trying to get into my bag. So that is everything that was in the big pocket, and then this back pocket here is where I was talking about that I keep my laptop. So that's there, ready to go. And The only things missing are maybe some more snacks, but I don't know if I'm gonna bring many this time around. And then my portable charger, which I cannot find for some reason, but would be very handy to have for this trip, but I cannot find it at the moment, so it's not in here until I can find it. But moving on to the purse. So the purse I'm using is my New York & Company one, and it's kind of a light lavender color, very structured, but it has a lot of pockets because I like keeping things organized when I'm traveling. Plus I like a little bit bigger purse because that way I can distribute a little bit of the weight out of my backpack, especially when it's this heavy, and have it in the purse. So the first thing I've got here is my little bell pouch, and in here I am just keeping all of my charging cords neat and organized. I'm starting with this largest middle pocket, and in here I have some tissues because you always need tissues when going on a flight. A little notepad in case I need to jot anything down during my trip, and a pen to write in that notepad. Gum, because I always need gum when flying. Here I have my liquids bag, so everything is in one bag. I have a small travel sunscreen, Carmex, frosted coconut snowball lotion, eye drops because my eyes always get dry on the flight. I've got some vitamin C drops and some zinc drops because I read that zinc can be just as helpful for fighting off stuff as vitamin C, and I want to stay healthy. And then I also have hand sanitizer and champagne toast, and that is it for that little baggie. My little panda here with my medications, sunglasses, a must for Florida. And then I also have tucked in here my passport so that it's easily able to be grabbed, and my wallet. I like traveling with this size wallet as opposed to a full-size one because it just fits in the bag better, but still carries everything that I need. Then in this side pocket, I have another magazine so that I could distribute the weight. I'm a little bit behind. It's still a Christmas issue, but I'll still read it. And that's it for that pocket. But again, making it easy so things can be grabbed out of my bag without too much effort when I'm digging under the seat. And then in here, I've got my iPad because that's where I watch all the shows that I download on the plane. So it's preloaded, ready to go, ready to entertain me. Then headphones, also easily able to grab. And that is it. That is everything in my carry-on bags for this time around traveling. So let me know what you always have to travel with. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more travel videos or travel packing videos. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you very soon.